What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we're gonna do a Amazon beauty mystery box that I'm super stoked to open up with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you really like me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Here's the box. Okay, long story short, it's already opened because my Amazon Prime account is under my mom's name. So anytime I order a package, it somehow comes in her name. So she opened this. I don't know what's inside, but yeah, that's pretty much why it's open. So let's just jump right into it and see what they sent me. I got this box on Amazon, and it's technically not a mystery box per se. I bought a makeup lot box, so it comes with 25 items for $30, and they're supposed to be like drugstore items. It said like L'Oreal, CoverGirl, whatever. And yeah, so I ordered it. It came super quick, and yeah, let's jump right in. So going into this like janky box, the first thing I see is a Maybelline Volume Express Pumped Up Colossal Mascara and Glam Brown. Ooh, I'm super excited about that. I don't have a brown mascara, so that's pretty cool. I think that'll be really fun to play around with. And I like the colossal applicator, so okay, let's pop her open. So this is what she looks like, and she was enclosed in her packaging. Let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks really good. I'm gonna like that applicator. So that's pretty cool. Moving on. The next item I have is a CoverGirl True Magic Sun Kisser, and this one is a little opened, or like a little kind of tampered with, I'd say, but it looks untouched and super nice, and it comes with a little cushion. I just think the packaging got messed up, but it is a cream bronzer. I don't have a cream bronzer, so that'll be fun to play around with. Maybe I'll try to do like a full face of CoverGirl, or just play around with that in general. So that's pretty cool. I think that color will work really well with my skin, so that's pretty awesome. The next thing we got is a CoverGirl Ultra Smooth Foundation plus applicator. I don't see an applicator in here. Oh my god, it comes with like a silicone applicator. Oh, that's cool. So it comes with this like silicone applicator. That's pretty cool. It kind of looks like a pasty. It kind of has like a nipply shape. Like, okay. The color looks like it low-key would match. If not, it looks like it might be like a little dark. But hey, I'm still gonna try that. Maybe again, so I could do like a full face of CoverGirl. That's pretty cool that it came with like the sponge. Okay. All right, I feel like I'm getting my money's worth. Like I said, I only paid 30 bucks for this box, so yeah. The next item I see is a CoverGirl. Oh, it says CoverGirl Lip Lava, and it's like a shiny iridescent orange. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is kind of groovy, and it is still sealed, so let's pop it open and check it out. Oh, cool. Oh, ooh. It kind of smells like vodka or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but okay. The next thing I see is a Boutique Intense Jumbo Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade Hibiscus. This is like a cool, like metallic-y kind of pink shade, again, in the plastic. Do like a little swatchy swatch, so. Oh, this is kind of groovy. Yeah, it's like a metallic-y kind of pink. That's kind of cool. I think I'll have fun playing with that. The next thing I see is a L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow quad, and this is in the shade Skinny Jeans. This one kind of looks like it's been like taped, like aftermarket taped. I don't know. I kind of am not down with this, honestly. It just looks like a little janky, but I'll pop it open for you guys so you guys can see. Oh. Hold on, I got the applicator. Oh. It comes like this little crap applicator, and there it is. I mean, it's pretty. They don't look like they've been touched, so I might keep this. I don't know. Let's swatch some. Oh, wow. Wow, that silver shade though? Holy shit, I'm gonna do the blue on the top. Wow, these are really pigmented and really buttery. Like, wow. Wow, I'm kind of impressed so far. The next thing I see is a Wet n Wild Idolize and eyeliner. And it's sealed, which is comforting. Ooh, it's black. Ooh, nice. I can always use a black eyeliner. And it comes with like a little smudgy tip. I like that. Okay. Now moving on, I'm gonna pull out a Maybelline Color Molten by Eye Studio. And this is in the shade Nude Rush. Another eyeshadow little duo. So this one's a little cracked on that side right here. But let's give like the other side a swatch. Wow, that was creamy. Oh, I think that's a cream, honestly. Oh yeah, these are cream eyeshadows. All right, with not a lot of color payoff. The next thing I'm seeing is a Bari Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Pure Plum, and it says it's frosted. So I'm guessing it has maybe like a frosty sheen to it. Oh, okay. Oh, this is like a plum-ish, this one. It's like a plum-ish lip sheen kind of thing. Okay, okay. All right, and I still have like a lot more in this box. So the next thing I see is Styly Style Line and Seal Deep Purple Eyeliner. Let's pop her open. Why do they make these so hard to get open? Like, seriously? Ooh, that's pretty. A matte purple eyeliner right there. Oh, wow, I'm down with that. That's gonna be cool for like the waterline too. Oh, I'm excited about that. The next thing I see is a Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush. And this one kind of fell out of its holder, but it is sealed, so that's good. It like looks like it shrunk from the size of the pan to, oh, okay. It looks like a cream blush. I'm probably gonna like try and squish it back down because I need some more blushes, so I'm down to make this one work. I don't know, I feel like this might be too much hassle. Oh wow, that has like a nice color payoff. Oh, I like that color. Okay, I'm gonna make this one work. Okay, we're about like halfway through the box. The next thing I see is a Priority Mail shipping bag. Okay, I hear glass. Okay, ooh. Aw, I got a bunch of nail polishes. Okay. I'm not gonna use these, so I'm gonna be giving them to either my mom or my best friend Nessa, so. Okay, we still have stuff in here, like holy cow. Okay, the next thing I see is a L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail powder eyeliner pen in the shade Brown Smoke. Oh, that seems kind of cool. It says no smudging needed. That's pretty cool. Like, I like browns. I think they're like really universal and you can use them on everybody, so I think that's pretty cool. Let's see. This packaging is really pretty. Okay, L'Oreal, I see you, I see you. Okay, so it's a spin-off top. Oh, okay, so I think the product is in the top and this is like the smudger applicator. We'll just go ahead and swap. Oh, wow. That's pretty, that's pigmented and that is really cool. That's a pretty like bronzy gold brown. That's pretty. Okay, I'm really excited about this. That's really cool. Okay, the next thing I see is they are little nail files, which Nessa, these are coming your way. I don't need these. I have another Boutique Defining Eye Pencil in like a really pretty foresty green, of course, in the packaging. And then, oh wow, that one is right under the brown. Wow, that's really pretty. We're getting down to our last few items. So the next thing I see is a Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Cheek Flush Sheer Blush. I'm pretty down with that, and it came in the packaging. I'm just opening it. Okay, I don't have like a cream blush, so I think that's pretty cool. I got the shade Pop of Peach, so I like a peachy blush. So there it is. Ooh, okay. Okay. Once you like blend it out a little bit, it goes pretty sheer, but it started off pretty greasy. I don't know, I'll have to play with this. I'll have to definitely play with this. The next thing I got is a Wet n Wild White Icing. It looks like a loose pigment glitter. You can never have enough glitter. It is Mega Sparkle Confetti. Oh, I love glitter. I'm so excited about this. Seriously, it's so hard to open makeup nowadays. Okay, wow. That is so gorgeous. Peel it off. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna swatch some right there. Okay. I'm gonna put that back. I don't know if you guys can see this glitter falling everywhere, but so that's what that glitter looks like right here. It's super pretty. Moving on to our last item, we have the Wet n Wild Baked Eyeshadow Palette and Mega Wear Mascara. And this has like a $5 value on the top. These eyeshadows look so pretty. Pop her open. Alright, let's start with the mascara. I love this teal packaging for this. This mascara seems pretty dry, but I'll have to play around with it and see how I like it. But the wand is like a basic spoolie wand. Nothing extravagant about that. Here's the eyeshadow palette. So let's pop this open. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool. So like the top comes completely off. This feels like a really sturdy plastic. I'm just gonna swatch this really pretty blue right here. Yeah, that's really gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch this like really like grayish beigey color, and we're just gonna throw that right under the blue. Oh, that came out to be like silvery. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. All right, you guys, that completes it for this box. So let's go back over what we got and if I think it's worth it or not. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nail polishes and 2 nail files. I got 3 lip products. I got 2 blushes. I got a foundation and a foundation applicator. I got a cream bronzer. I got 4 eyeliners. I got 2 mascaras. I got a loose Wet n Wild glitter. And I got all these eyeshadows. So I paid $30 for all of this. And do I think I got my money's worth? For sure. This is something I really recommend if you're just trying to grow your makeup collection and you really don't care about colors or anything like that. You just kind of want to play around with makeup and you're not trying to break the bank. I really am excited to play around with these, and you guys will be seeing these filtrate throughout my future videos, and I'm super excited, and this is really fun. If you guys liked it, let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. If you guys really like me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you never miss a post. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.